Hello, and welcome to this Peters of Nashua informational video regarding your vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system and the proper procedure to safely change a flat tire on your vehicle. And hey, you know what? In the event that your tire pressure monitoring light has come on due to a flat tire, we will now demonstrate the proper procedure to safely change that tire.
Whenever ready.
I hope this Peters of Nashua video has been both helpful and informative. Thank you for visiting www.petersauto.com, and as always, thank you for choosing Peters.